Hee Fat Choy, everyone! We are celebrating the Lunar New Year with one of the most delicious and most lucky dishes you can make, Buddha's Delight or VEGGIE. This is the simplified version that is so fast, packed with good fortune, and is going to bring you all the health and wealth for the year of the horse. Stick around, let's get cooking! Welcome back to my kitchen! Lunar New Year is all about bringing in good fortune, and this meal VEGGIE is traditionally eaten because every single ingredient symbolizes something lucky. It's normally a full day event to make, but this is a super Mabel-Rella simplified version. Everything here is fresh, flavorful, and ready to go. I will also let you meet the flavor bomb couple and the two big symbols of good fortune. Let's get started. First come first, let's bring some hot water to a boil to blanch the fried gluten, fried tofu for 20 or 30 seconds to get rid of the excess oil. While we're waiting for the water to boil, let's go over the ingredients that needs to be pre-soaked. That's the one part of this recipe you can skip. We've got our mushroom. This is the only ingredients that we need to pre-soak overnight. Look at them, they look so chubby overnight. Dry bean curd sticks cut each to about 1.5 inch long. Vermicelli, black fungus, red dates can be soaked in the same bowl for a fast 15 to 20 minutes while you're preparing other ingredients. And of course, our big two symbols of good fortune. Fat choy, the hair-like seaweed that means get rich, and Ho-si, our dry oysters for good fortune. We need to get rich and have good fortune this year, right? Put the fried gluten or fried tofu in the pot boiling water and blanch for 20 to 30 seconds. Use a clean kitchen scissors to cut each piece in half so it will soak up the flavorful sauce. Then set aside. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to your hot pan and crank up the heat. Heat oil for about 30 seconds. Turn the heat down to medium-high before you add the first flavor bomb so it won't burn. The secret of the flavor of VEGGIE starts right now with our first flavor bomb, the 3 cubes of smashed fermented red bean curd. Toss it in, stir for just a few seconds until it's fragrant. Step 2. Now follow in with our soaked ingredients that take a little bit longer to cook. The mushrooms, fried gluten or tofu puffs, dry bean curd, black fungus, and the mushroom water that we saved. Add enough water to below the ingredients. Give this a nice stir for about 15 seconds. This is where those dry ingredients wake up. Place the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes on medium-high. Step 3. Add the next hard-to-cook ingredients, which is the Ho-si, carrots, red dates, ginkgo nuts, chestnuts, and hair seaweed. Look at that, savory and sweet. Mix for a few seconds. Place the lid back and let it cook for about 10 minutes or medium-high. This is the moment where all the flavors are infusing. Optional, while the VEGGIE is cooking, pan fry the snow peas with a little oil so it will be shiny. It only takes 2 to 3 minutes for it to turn darker green so you know it's cooked. Add in the rest of the ingredients. This is our huge pile of Napa cabbage, the heart of the dish, and the pre-soaked vermicelli. Give that a big mix. Step 4, and here's our second flavor bomb. 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix that enough through everything's coated. You can add a bit of water if it's too dry for you. It doesn't need to cover everything because the cabbage is going to wilt down a lot. Step 5, now put the lid on and we let the magic happen. The traditional cook time is around 30 minutes for that super soft, tender cabbage. But if you like yours with a little crunch, 20 minutes is totally fine. Just check and stir every 15 minutes. While this is simmering, I want to talk about why this dish is so powerful for the new year. It's all about symbolism. The fat choy, the hair-like seaweed, are for wealth. Ho-si, our dry oysters, for good fortune. The fermented red bean curd gives the dish its rich, auspicious red color, and the oyster sauce gives the whole dish an extra boost of flavor. It's truly a plate of good wishes. So far, which is your favorite ingredient? Please let me know in the comment section. Our 30 minutes are up. The cabbage is so soft and tender. Perfection. Step 6. Have a taste. If you have a bolder flavor, now is the time to add a little more oyster sauce. Step 7. Our family usually serve this dish in its cooking pot so it looks rich. Look how vibrant and hearty this is. Serve this on the first day of the Lunar New Year for maximum good luck and enjoy every single bite. This simplified version has all the traditional without all the fuss. Wishing you all the best in the year of the horse, both wealth and health. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips, please subscribe my channel or follow me on Instagram. Happy cooking!